Jai Hind, dear student. In the previous class, we are done with the introduction of the chapter interjection. Right? We are done with the introduction and we have done with all type of interjections that are given in your book. Clear? So today we will move to the worksheet. Okay? Look at your book at page number 101. Here, the worksheet is given, worksheet number 1. The question says, in the given sentences, identify the interjections and underline them. You have to identify the interjection and underline that interjection. Clear? The first question says, hi. The first question says, hi, I am glad that you could make it to my party. Somebody says that hello, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Hi, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि you could make it to my party. आप इसे मेरी पार्टी में कर सकते हैं. Clear? So the word hi is followed by a comma. So it is a mild interjection and you have to underline hi. Clear? Like this. The question number 2 is wow. You look great tonight. So the word wow is followed by the exclamation mark. It is a strong interjection. Okay, you express your feeling that wow, you looks great. Clear? So the word wow is the interjection and it is a strong interjection. Clear? The third one is that was the best performance. That was the best performance that I have ever seen. Bravo. So, bravo, this is an interjection, and we all know that after a strong interjection, we use exclamation mark. Clear? So, underline bravo. Clear? Now, the fourth question is I can't believe you broke my favorite toy bear. It means this word that is followed by a comma is interjection and a mild interjection. Clear? The fifth question says I wonder where I put my keys and wallet. तो मुझे ये आश्चर्य है कि मैंने अपनी कीज़ और वॉलेट कहाँ रख दी है. So the word is followed by a comma, right? It is an interjectory word and it is followed by a comma and it is a mild interjection. Clear? The sixth question is miners used to shout eureka when they struck gold. जो माइनर्स होते हैं गोल्ड माइंस में काम करते हैं वो यूज टू शाउट वो हमेशा क्या बोलते हैं यूरेका. These eureka word is an interjection, right? It is a mild interjection. Clear? So underline eureka. Clear everyone? Now we will move to the worksheet 2. Okay? Is it visible to everyone? Okay, great. The question says using the clue box fill in the blanks with interjections. Remember to put exclamation mark. Remember to put exclamation mark after the interjection. Okay, so you have to write the correct interjection and don't forget to use exclamation mark if it is a strong interjection. Clear? And here the helping box is given for your help. Clear? The clue box is given. You have to choose the appropriate interjection from here and put it in the sentence with the exclamation mark. Clear? So the first question is I can't believe you have won a gold medal. So ये क्या है आपकी फीलिंग्स है खुशी की मतलब मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि तुमने गोल्ड मेडल जीत लिया है. सो वी विल पुट हियर वाओ. व्हाट आई विल राइट वाओ. Okay student, if you are not able to understand what I have written, please write it down from the clue box. Okay, don't forget to use exclamation mark. Clear? So in the first column you have to write wow. Is that clear? What you have to write? Wow with the exclamation mark. This and the first blank. Clear? In the next blank what you have to fill? Dash. You have stamped on my toe. तुमने क्या किया है? मेरे टो में स्टैम्प कर दिया है. ओके, चोट कर दी है. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट हियर? आउच. व्हाट यू विल राइट? आउच. Clear? With the exclamation mark. Ouch, you have stamped on my toe. Clear? Okay. And the third question, we have won the trophy. हमने क्या किया? ट्रॉफी जीती है. So what will I write here? Hooray. Hooray. Clear? With the exclamation mark. Okay, student, please don't forget to put exclamation mark. Okay. And the third one, you have to fill hooray. Hooray, we have won the trophy. And the fourth one is, why don't you come sit here? तुम यहाँ आके क्यों नहीं बैठते हो? राइट? सो आप किसी से बोल रहे हो कि हे वाई डोंट यू कम सिट हियर? तुम यहाँ आके क्यों नहीं बैठ जाते हो? क्लियर? सो वी विल पुट एट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हे. क्लियर? Now the fifth question is, this is a hospital, be quiet. Can you guess what interjection will be filled here? Yes, shh. Right? Shh. Don't shout. This is the hospital, so you have to fill shh with the exclamation mark. And clear? And the fifth one blank you have to fill shh. Now move to the sixth one. The sixth question says, I have completed the project on time. तो मैंने क्या किया है? प्रोजेक्ट को टाइम पर कंप्लीट किया है. सो व्हाट विल यू से टू योरसेल्फ? ग्रेट. Great, I have completed the project on time. Clear? And the sixth question, you have to fill great followed by the exclamation mark. Clear? Now move to the seventh one. The seventh question says, the poor lady died in the cold. जो poor lady है वो क्या है? ठंड में मर गई है. Died. Okay, so what you will show your sorrow, right? अपना दुख आप कैसे व्यक्त करोगे? Alas, the poor lady died in the cold. Clear? Please write it on the seventh question. Now move to the next and the last one, eighth. Now that you have broken the window, you need to get it repaired. मतलब अगर तुमने विंडो तोड़ी है तो यू नीड टू गेट इट रिपेयर, और तुम्हें ही इसको रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. सो ओनली वन इज लेफ्ट इन द क्लू बॉक्स एंड दैट इज वेल. नाउ दैट यू हैव ब्रोकन द विंडो, यू नीड टू गेट इट रिपेयर. क्लियर? तुमने अगर विंडो तोड़ी तो तुम्हें ही ठीक करना पड़ेगा. राइट एवरीवन? I hope it is clear to everyone, and we are done with the worksheet 2 also. Clear? Now what is at the HOTS question? Please move to that side. Okay, so the question says, hooray, our team has won, shouted Ravi as he come to the dressing room. He saw his best friend Anand sitting sadly in his team had lost. As his team had lost, what should Ravi do? Ravi को क्या करना चाहिए? Make fun of Anand and laugh at him for losing, or console him and say winning and losing are a part of any game. So what should he do? I hope you all are very clear with that. The second option is the right option, so tick at the second one. Clear? Thank you, student. This is done for this class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.